Coming up next, it's Cartoons, the Top 5, followed by Johnny Bravo on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Cartoon Network's Cartoon Theater, followed by Samurai Jack on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Mike, Lou, and Oz, followed by Cow and Chicken on Cartoon. Coming up next, it's the Cartoon Show, followed by Grim and Evil on Cartoon. Coming up next, it's Samurai Jack, followed by the Chuck Jones Show on Cartoon Network. Followed by Ed, and Eddie on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Teen Titans, followed by Justice League on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Totally Spies on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Pokemon, followed by X-Men Evolution on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's the Powerpuff Girls, followed by Adult Swim on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Ed, and Eddie, followed by the Powerpuff Girls on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's He-Man, followed by Zoids on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Looney Tunes, followed by Duck Dodgers on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Totally Spies, followed by Codename Kids Next Door on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Baby Looney Tunes, followed by Scooby Universe on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Dexter's Laboratory, followed by Codename Kids Next Door on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Dexter's Laboratory, followed by Hamtaro on Cartoon Network. Followed by Justice League on Cartoon Network.